It's your 20s. You're supposed to be figuring life out, but most days, you're just surviving it. You wake up with pressure, go to sleep with confusion, and in between, there's this endless list of things you should be doing: career, fitness, passion, money, relationships. And yet you barely have the energy to get through the day. If this sounds like your current phase, comment "I feel this," because trust me, you're not the only one. Let's be honest. Your 20s were never meant to be perfect. They were meant to be messy, confusing, full of trial, error, failure, learning, and rebuilding. But in this age of highlight reels and millionaire 19-year-olds, you feel like you're already behind. Every scroll makes you question yourself. Am I doing enough? Why does everyone have it figured out? Except me? But here's the truth no one's telling you. Most people don't know what they're doing in their 20s. They're scared. They're guessing. They're pretending, just like you. The only difference? Some keep showing up, even while scared. They take tiny steps. One email, one rep, one new attempt at a broken routine, and eventually that compounds. So stop trying to have it all figured out. Instead, focus on showing up messy. Start before you're ready. Learn before you're perfect. Fail and try again. Because your 20s aren't about proving you've made it. They're about becoming someone who eventually will. And if you're still feeling stuck, it's okay. You're probably caught in a guilt loop, regretting every plan you didn't stick to. If that's you, watch the video titled "The Guilt Loop" next. Or maybe you're scared to even begin. Scared of the results, the failure, the unknown. Then you need to see you're scared to start. Both are waiting at the end. But right now, just drop a "still trying" in the comments, because that alone means you haven't given up. And that's more than enough.